Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, and it seems to be an extremely easy one. So I'll just remove almost everything. Now here I will use A and then A, B. Okay, so in the beginning, as always, star, background, and the background will be this green color. Paste. Now let's switch on the difference. Now for body, we'll use background F because white color appears in just 3 Fs, so we need not put 6 Fs there. Now margin, and the margin I'll give 100 and 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and here it will be 110. Yeah. Now we only need to use A. We need not even give background. We can give simply height. I'll first make this the mouth of the space, so I'll give a height of 40, I think will be enough, and width 100, and position fixed. It's 30 would have been perfect. Now what we will do is margin. I know we have to change width a little bit, but let's see how much is required. 10, 20, 30. Okay, 30 was enough, and 110, 120, 120. Yeah. Now it's time for B, and we will only have rotate 90 degrees, and the width will decrease to maybe 60, and we will give a margin which will be 100 and 100, for example, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, 45, 46, 44, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 45. $45.5, 44, 43, 44.5, and now I'll give a box shadow. Even if it isn't a 100% match right now, we at least know what we can change. So 64Q and 0 will come first. Wait, why is it okay, minus, and we will give the color here, which is this one. So paste, let's submit it. I don't think it will be 100% match, but if it is good, okay, it is somehow. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so our score is 669.25. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.